Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Robotic Pool Cleaner, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Robotic Pool Cleaner, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best robotic pool cleaner from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner Waterline Cleaning. Keep your pool sparkling clean with the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. This corded electric cleaner is designed for pools up to 50 feet, and its plug-and-play system makes setup a breeze. With its advanced Clever Clean technology, it uses smart algorithms to ensure full pool coverage, scrubbing your pool floor, walls, and even the waterline in just 3 hours. The Premier comes equipped with a patented anti-tangle swivel cable, so it moves freely around the pool, tackling dirt and debris without getting stuck. It offers 3 versatile filter options: fine cartridges, ultra-fine cartridges, and a large filter bag, giving you customizable cleaning power. Plus, the convenient weekly scheduler lets you set automated cleanings every day, every other day, or every 3 days. With the Dolphin Premier, pool maintenance is easier than ever. Just drop it in and let it do the work. Number 2. Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot Cordless Pool Vacuum for Inground. Transform pool cleaning with the Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot, the ultimate cordless pool vacuum for in-ground pools. This innovative 5-in-1 cleaner tackles every surface, from the floor to the walls and waterline, while also capturing floating debris on the water's surface. Equipped with industry-first automatic clarifying technology, it dispenses a clarifier solution to maintain crystal clear water and prevent scum buildup. Its non-drive 9-motor system delivers powerful 5,500 GPH suction, ensuring no debris is left behind, while the unique dual-propeller design and 2-into-2 roller brushes provide outstanding coverage and mobility. With smart return technology, it surfaces automatically when cleaning is complete or when the battery is low, eliminating the hassle of lifting and fishing. Powered by a 10,400 mAh battery, it provides up to 9.5 hours of surface cleaning or 5 hours of thorough bottom cleaning, covering pools up to 3,299 square feet. Number 3. Beatbot iSkim Ultra Solar Powered Robotic Pool Skimmer. Experience the future of pool maintenance with the Beatbot iSkim Ultra Solar Powered Robotic Pool Skimmer, the world's first intelligent robotic pool skimmer designed for effortless, ultra-efficient cleaning. This innovative skimmer offers app-based remote control, allowing you to set navigation, schedule cleaning, monitor cleaning status, and even check water temperature. Equipped with smart navigation and ultrasonic sensors, the iSkim Ultra avoids obstacles and uses optimized pathfinding to cover every corner of your pool with ease. Dual-side rotating brushes and a powerful front roller capture all debris, while the massive 9-liter filter basket reduces emptying frequency. The Clearwater clarification system dispenses a solution to prevent scum buildup, ensuring pristine, clear water with minimal maintenance. Powered by a solar battery, this eco-friendly skimmer delivers precision and power for any pool, while voice updates and over-the-air software enhancements keep you in control with real-time feedback. Number 4. HISION A7 Max Robotic Pool Cleaner. Introducing the HISION A7 Max Robotic Pool Cleaner, the ideal solution for effortless and powerful cleaning of in-ground pools. Designed with a high-performance 180-watt motor, this pool vacuum provides exceptional suction, efficiently capturing leaves, dirt, and hair for thorough debris removal. With an impressive 150-minute battery life, it cleans up to 2,000 square feet on a single charge, ensuring uninterrupted, extensive pool coverage. Thanks to SonarNav Pro navigation, the HISION robot maps and adapts to your pool's shape, covering the floor, walls, and waterline for a complete clean. When the battery is low, it parks itself conveniently near the edge, making retrieval easy. User-friendly audio and LED alerts keep you informed, while its rugged, premium construction ensures years of reliable service. For peace of mind, this robotic cleaner also includes a 24-month protection plan. Upgrade your pool maintenance with the ultimate in intelligent, hassle-free cleaning. Number 5. Chasing Hydro 4 Pool Robot Pool Vacuum for Inground. Meet the Chasing Hydro 4 Pool Robot, an advanced pool vacuum designed for in-ground pools that brings ultimate cleaning efficiency and control. Equipped with a unique two-pump design, it delivers powerful suction for optimal wall climbing and meticulous waterline cleaning. Its innovative lateral movement lets it glide along the waterline, capturing debris with precision. With smart app control, the Hydro 4 allows you to schedule cleanings, choose custom cleaning modes, and manage pool maintenance remotely. Its easy pickup function makes retrieval effortless, no more lifting from the pool bottom. The Hydro 4's intelligent navigation avoids main drains, providing smooth, uninterrupted coverage of every inch of your pool. Powered continuously via a corded connection, it's ready for deep and extended cleaning sessions. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty and reliable customer support. For pool owners seeking thorough and hassle-free cleaning, the Hydro 4 is the perfect solution. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.